Hi guys, today our journey is to this beautiful place called Sri Rangapatna and places around them. We initially started with the place called Vaidyanatheshwara temple at Maduru. This is a very old Vaidyanatheshwara temple dedicated to God Shiva, and this temple is residing on the banks of river Shimsha. While heading to Srirangapatna, slight deviation on the main road, you can head to this beautiful place, that is Vaidyanatheshwara temple. Hi guys, I am at the place called Vaidyanatheshwara temple, and this temple is in Mathur. So this temple is very old temple. When you are visiting to Mysore, you can come down here over here and just check out the old temple. I'll just show you how the temple is. As soon as you enter the temple premises, in the left side you can see the beautiful Bilvapatre tree planted. As the river flows in front of the temple, there is beautiful photogenic place where you can click good clicks in front of the temple. After doing the darshana of the Lord Shiva, we moved around the temple to see the small temples in the premises. There was a small Satyanarayana Swami temple inside the temple premises when we moved around the temple. After seeing the Vaidyanatheshwara temple, we moved to the Sri Rangapatna. As the city of Sri Rangapatna was ruled by several kings, mainly the Mysore Maharajas and Tipu Sultan and Mughal emperors, it was built beautifully. On the way to the temple, we just saw one mosque which attracted our attention, and we thought to see the mosque while going to the temple. What we amazed when we entered into this mosque is when we entered this area, we found the temple pillars at the right and left side of the entry. We had a curiosity when we saw the pillars of temple, and we just got cleared with the story behind this mosque when we met the guide after seeing this mosque.
ವಿಗ್ರಹ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅವರು ಮಸೀದಿ ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿನೂ ಇದೆ. ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ತಿರುಪತಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ನವರು ಟ್ಯಾಪಲ್ಲೇ ಕೈ ಕಾಲು ತೊಳೆಯೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
So whatever past is a past, and we can't dig back to the past. So we just moved seeing the mosque, walls and the premises around. One more astonishing thing that we found in this mosque is the Pushkarani. So these Pushkaranis can be found only in the temples, and edges and corners of the mosque are erected with the temple pillars, so which can be seen around the mosque premises. But the main tomb area is beautifully built by Persian architectures in those days during the Tipu Sultan era. So we also found that Tipu Sultan death place and the story behind his death.
Hi guys, as the name says, water gate. This is not a water gate. This is actually a secret gate. So this area has a total number of 4 secret gates. This is one among it. So where Britishers came inside with the help of brother-in-law of Tipu Sultan.
Mir Sadiq.
Mir Sadiq, he was the Mir Sadiq who let the Britishers come inside, and this was the place where Britishers fought with the Tipu Sultan. He shot over here and he just fell and died few meters away from this place.
Whenever you visit to this place called Srirangapatna, please do hire a guide because there are lots of mysteries in every corner of this place where you can find the stories astonishing to you.
Hello.
Now you can see the old 200 years old doors of the entry gate.
Okay, okay.
ಇವರು ಚಪ್ಪಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಂದು ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಇದು ವಾಟರ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಬಂದು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಗೇಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೂ ನೀವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಗೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಇದು ಬಂದು 4th ಗೇಟ್. ಎಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ 1799 5th April to 4th May 1 month ವಾರ್ ನಡೆದಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟಿಪ್ಪುನ ಸಾಧಿಸಿರೋದು ಇದೇ ರೋಡು. ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಶೂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಜಾಗ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋದರೆ 5th or 6th ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋ ಜಾಗ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಸರ್ 270 years ಗೇಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಥರ ಬಕ್ಕಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಫೂಲಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಗೇಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಇದೊಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಬಾವಮೈದ ಮೀರ್ ಸಾದಿಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ಗೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಿ.
A few meters away from that main gate where Tipu was shot and he fell and died at this place.
ಕೋಟೆಗೆ 5 ಐಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಮಣ್ಣು, ಸುಣ್ಣ, ಬೆಲ್ಲ, ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ 5 ಐಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಆವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಓನ್ಲಿ 200 grams. ಇವಾಗ 5 kg 6 kg ಇಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 30 yearsಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಕುಸಿದೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ 230 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್.
After seeing the water gate, we moved to Colonel Bailey's dungeon, where the British army officers were tied and killed by the king Tipu Sultan. When you visit to these places, you can imagine how the scenes were long years back and how they were tied and how they were prosecuted and how they were punished and how they were killed by the kings and how the war thing that would happen between kings and East India Company.
This they used to tie the people, and it was the hole where it was tied. So you can see people were tied over there every corner. You can just see the broomsticks are kept over here. So these are the places where they used to tie, like this. They used to tie until here the water was let, and they used to torture the people, the soldiers who were caught in the war.
Being able to see the things that were 200 years back and how the things happened during those days. Come, let's get few details about this place.
ಬೇಲಿ ಡಂಜನ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಜೈಲ್, ಯಾ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಜೈಲ್, ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಜೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ನವ್ರನ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಚೈನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋರು. ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫುಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋರು. ಬಿಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್, ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್, ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋರು. ಸತ್ತೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಾಟರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೈನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡೋರು. ಚೈನ್ ತೆಗೆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೊದಲು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ, ರೆನಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಜೈಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆಚೆಡೆ ಬರೋದು, ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು ಹಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಟು ಕ್ರೊಕೊಡೈಲ್ಸ್.
You can also see the cannon, which is locally known as Firangi, and this beautiful cannon weighs around 4,000 kgs. Looking at this Firangi, which is also a cannon, so you will go back to 200 to 300 years back, which you have seen in the movies. It brings the moments that were during those days. After seeing Bailey's dungeon, we moved to Ranganatha Swami temple in Srirangapatna, but unfortunately it was afternoon and it was closed, so we had to see the temple only the outside premises. So friends, before planning a trip, check with the temple timings and the places you visit and the timings they are open and closed, because when you visit those places, if they are closed, you will be in utter disappointment. But we found beautiful wooden carved chariot which is used for the Rathotsava of the temple. We found various Vishnu avatars around the chariot which are carved on the wood. After seeing this beautiful place, I moved to next destination, that is Melkote. So friends, we'll continue this in the next part of the video. So please do subscribe, like and share with your friends, and please press the bell icon, that is subscription icon on the YouTube. Here are the few clicks which I clicked when I visited the Srirangapatna. So friend, please subscribe to my channel and please share with your friends. Soon the part 2 will be released.